Today we're checking out the Omnifixo, a compact and versatile soldering stand that's designed to make soldering easier, more precise, and frustration-free. I've used a lot of helping hands over the years, but this one really caught my attention, so let's check it out. When you open the box, you'll find a well-designed plastic storage case that keeps everything secure for storage or travel. The main base plate serves as the bottom of the case, and once removed, you'll see the 4 helping hands with magnetic bases inside. There's even an optional 3D printable insert available if you want to store extra soldering accessories like heat shrink and solder. Now let's talk about what makes the Omnifixo different. First up, the helping hands attach magnetically with ball joints, allowing them to be infinitely adjustable in position. They also have parallel jaws instead of traditional alligator clips. That means no more teeth digging into delicate wires and components. The jaws provide an even, firm grip, and they even come with removable silicone covers for added protection. I use these to hold different wire sizes, connectors, and even an ESP32 dev board, and it worked flawlessly. There was no slipping, no damage, just a secure, stable grip that stays where I put it. I was initially worried that the ball joints might not have enough friction to hold the components in place, but I was wrong. Once you set them, they stay exactly where you want them. Another cool feature is that you can mount the plate vertically in the base, giving you a 90-degree working surface for even more flexibility. It's little details like this that make the Omnifixo really stand out. Another unique feature is that the hands and base plate are electrically conductive. This is useful for testing projects, though in the RC world, I don't see it being a game changer. Still, it's a cool option to have if you need it. After using the Omnifixo, I can confidently say it's one of the best soldering stands I've tested. The parallel clamps, magnetic adjustability, and solid stability make it an absolute game changer for soldering. If you're tired of struggling with flimsy helping hands, this is a fantastic upgrade. So what do you guys think? Would you add the Omnifixo to your soldering setup? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.